Hi there, welcome back to Marky RC. Here we have today a Tamiya tr15 stadium race truck. Just bought this off of eBay. Body shell, absolutely immaculate. Not a scratch on it, it's never been upside down, which is amazing considering to think this truck was released in 1993. Tamiya's first ever nitro truck. And same with everything on the truck itself. Doesn't look to have had hardly any use whatsoever. A few scrapes from underneath. Two-wheel drive. Little FS15 nitro glow engine. Alloy exhaust. It's got like a composite type brake disc. Ball differential. Unusual clutch setup. Normally you have the flywheel then the clutch bell. On this particular Tamiya car, the flywheel's on the outside and the clutch bell's on the inside. CVA oil filled shocks. And what I intend to do with this is give this truck a full rebuild and stick a few hop-up parts on it. I've got the red aluminium chassis coming. I've got some original tyres. Got some upgraded TRF shocks. New glow plugs, some new glow fuel. I mean, fuel tank is absolutely spotless, considering truck's 30 odd years old. I'll see if I can remove the paint from the original body. That might even be the correct blue. Get rid of the decals, buy some repo decals from MCI. So over the next 2 or 3 weeks, I'll be stripping this buggy down, literally back to every nut and bolt, sticking it through the hydrosonic cleaner, cleaning it up, and then rebuilding it with as many hop-ups as I can stick in. I've been lucky, it's already got universal shafts for the rear wheels, and someone's put the racing foam inside the tyres, so they just need soaking in some acetate to release the old super glue. It's got all its original radio gear, and it's still got quite a lot of compression on the little FS15 motor. So hope you tune in to see the rebuild. I'll be popping that on in the next couple of 2 to 3 weeks. So I hope you tune in. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye.